Assalamualaikum to our lecture, Encik Afdal. Okay, before we go through the mechanism project, we want to present first about projectile motion requirement. Okay, and on our analysis, ping pong ball will be placed at A position. Launch must be placed at launch position where initial height of ping pong ball should be 3.1 cm above ground level. Ping pong ball must not exceed point A, which is 1.5 meter from point B. Illustration of the setting is shown in figure 1. In this picture is a figure 1. Ping pong ball will be released from launcher as in direction shown to enter hole at point B. Okay, in this requirement that we analyze of mechanism is concerned with a study of constraint relative motion and his functional aspect of mechanism used in machinery. List item for our mechanism is a ping pong ball. Material and light will allow a resistance and its spin to have significant effect on its motion when airborne. Other reason is a resistance is a result of the projectile leading surface colliding with the air molecule and it is affected by the velocity of the object and its cross-section area. Next, cardboard. To make a body part of the launch which is contain the first active member on this body part. To make it as a launch by assembly that it also can move up and down to make a ping pong ball launch to the position setup. The rubber to use to make it as a power transmitted to the launch. Important to move the launcher up and make the ping pong ball launch to the front. Cup, base of landing after launch, using 5 cup in different testing. Okay, for our projectile ping pong launcher, this is our projectile ping pong launcher. Our project can adjust the angle and can adjust the elastic of rubber. This is the motion of an object that has been launched and then is subject to only the force of gravity and the force of air friction. So this is our project for next experiment. So we find out the result of our experiment. Okay, for our experiment, we put the point A is a launcher and point B is between on 5 cup. There we put 5 cup on the point B. So the distance between A and B is 1.5 meter. So the angle of the launcher is 45 degrees. So let me see the experiment begin. Okay, from the calculation, we average time of flight, which is 0.56, and average distance, which is 1.48 meter. So the angle we take 45 degrees, and then we calculate for first velocity, which means initial velocity, and velocity final, theoretical distance, range, and acceleration. So for we get the initial of velocity is a 2.64 meter per second. Velocity final 4.53 meter per second. And then for theoretical distance, and for our project, which is 0.46 meter, and acceleration for our project is 4.58. And then for our error percentage, in our experiment, which is 102.22%, which means from our analysis from this error, we can analyze that not constant on elastic rubber, because timing when pull the rubber was not constant on when pull it. So that's from us. Thank you for watching.